How to check if someone is online on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to see if other person is online or not on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. If not, for iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, to see if someone is online or not, first you need to make sure that your online status is enabled. To do that, go to the settings option on the bottom right corner. Now click on this privacy option. Here, click on this last seen and online option. Now on this online section, make sure to select this either everyone or same as last seen. If you select the same as last seen, make sure that on this first option, click on my contacts or everyone. After that, go to your chat section and click on the person profile that you want to check if they are online or not. After you open their chat, simply look on their name on the top, and just below their name, it will show their last active status. And that's it. This is how to check if someone is online or not on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.